This is the dopamine cotta. Fresh dopamine.
Oh man, I love that feeling. What's going on, YouTube? Voyage to Nowhere here. Just on my way to work this morning, wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Just pretty much, let me start out by saying, Dirt Bike Lunatic and Moto Madness, thank you guys. Thank you. Both these guys have featured several of my videos in their compilation, which has dramatically increased my subscriber count. It took me about a year to reach 400 subs, and in the last 2 weeks I've doubled that. So big shout out to those two guys, and if you could head over to their channel and subscribe to them, man, that would be awesome. What's up, bruh? Next thing I'd like to talk about is my new subscribers, man. You guys are awesome. You found my channel. It's kind of inspiring and encouraging. Helps motivate me to keep on creating newer and newer content. And I'd just like to thank you. Maybe you notice your name scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Everybody who shares their identity on YouTube that subscribed to me in the last few weeks, I went ahead and put your name up there and let you know that I appreciate you, each and every one of you. And just thank you from the bottom of my heart, man. It's pretty amazing to see my channel going up and up and up, man. And it's all because of you guys hitting that subscribe button. A little bit about me for those of you who are pretty new to my channel. It started out with just a dual sport. Well, let's take you back even a little further. My first bike was a Vulcan 900 Classic, a 2012, at least my first street bike. I've had dirt bikes, four-wheelers, road snowmobiles, scooters, go-karts, everything of that sort. But let's talk street. So my first street bike was Vulcan 900 Classic, 2012. Got rid of that and got a DR650 Suzuki 2015. And it's a dual sport, probably my favorite motorcycle. I still have that one, and I also ride this 2015 GSXR 1000, and so those are kind of my motorcycles. I have two of them. I ride street and off-road a little bit. So next, I work at Las Cruces Motorsports. I've noticed a lot of people from Las Cruces have subscribed to me lately and said, hey, you know, it's nice to see a vlogger in Cruces. For those of you that live in or around Las Cruces or New Mexico or, you know, West Texas, come on into Las Cruces Motorsports, man. I work in the parts department, and I'll try to hook you up with a little deal. If you mention that you saw my videos, I'll try to give you a little deal on whatever you're trying to get, man. So come in and see us, and we can, if we don't have it, we can order it. So yeah, come in and see us, and if you want a card, I'll give you a card as well, man. I'll give you like a spam card if I have any left by the time you guys get there. Alright guys, before this video gets too long, I'm gonna go ahead and end it now, and I will see you guys in another video at a later date. Please remember that without you, my channel is nothing. So I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you, and thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Voyage to Nowhere. Peace out.